Hey y'all, let's see what we can harvest today. See, I'm at the pepper patch. Got peppers in here. These are big enough. Got a couple here. Smaller ones up here. Got jalapenos popping. And look how beautiful red these are getting. Let's see if I can pull that. See, those are pretty. I'm gonna let them keep going. How deep red, that's beautiful. And look, my little pumpkins, sugar baby pumpkins are coming through. Let's see, I got one over here. So I got like 4 already popping and a couple more in the works. All right, so let's get some peppers. I gotta hurry up, this video might conk out. Got 2 jalapenos. Gonna harvest them when they get a decent size so that they'll keep producing. That's all I'm gonna get from the pepper patch. Okay, so the tomato patch, hubby pulled all the tomato plants. He harvested everything, pulled the plants up, then I went in here and cleaned it up. And, you know, I put some more. I was growing these from seeds. These are tomato plants. These are Romas. I started from seeds a couple of months ago. So I'm just going to do a little small for fall, a little small harvest. These are these are the cantaloupes. I'm going to see how they do. I need to give them some plant food. And these are cucumbers. So they're going through some transplant shock. But they're bouncing back a little bit. So, but I'm not pressed. We had a good season. This is what I harvested today. I'll have to put that in something to eat. Let me see. Hubby's little peppers are pretty. Look at these orange ones here. Kitchen scraps. After he ate a pepper, he just kept it going. Okay, let's see what's going on. These are the potato plants here. And these are cantaloupe. These hubby planted these. I'm at a funny angle because of the way our patio is set up. Oh, so here's an additional another little pumpkin. So I was going to clean this out, but as long as there's something going on in here, I'll keep it going. So there's the pumpkin, there's the pepper patch, and some sweet potato slips, sweet potatoes down there. Here is the our fig trees. See how wild. Now I'm only seeing some little nodules on this fig tree, but not on the other one. Not on this one. This one may not be getting enough sun. Little bits going on here. Okay, I'm ready to pull these up. Put some little fall mums or something. I'm ready for fall. Let's see. This is a plant hubby put here. And got to clean out my little mini greenhouse. This thing did excellent. When we got down in the teens, in the below zeros, put those plants in here and covered it up. They thought they were in Tahiti. Okay, so I love how my tomato plants, they're doing well. Those other ones, these cucurbits, I don't know. All right, let's go over here. I got this half off at Walmart. This is really pretty. And then I put some more. This is some more cantaloupe and another cucumber plant. Put that here. So see how they'll work out. All right, and let's see what's going on in the greenhouse. Okay, here's one of my collard green plants. I put one of my little seedlings in here, and even though it's hot, it's not, the sun's not beaming on them. So this is the coolest part of the greenhouse, and this little collard green is doing well. So I only wanted to test one out. It's 85 degrees, middle of July. So I got some other starts. I got some broccoli, not cauliflower, broccoli, bok choy, collard greens, two different types of collard greens started indoors. And so about September I'll pull them out. But, you know, if you want to go on and put, you know, if you have a greenhouse or some shade cloth, you can go on and try to see if they can survive, you know, depending on your zone. Okay, so here's my harvest of the day. 3 nice jalapenos and 3 beautiful green bell peppers. And here in Georgia, I am a fall garden person. Here in Georgia, we get the best. For me, for the things I grow, fall is the best time. So I'm already prepping. It's mid-July. I think I've already said that. So now you starting your seeds of your brassicas, your broccoli, your cabbages, and collards. And now is the time if you want little baby pumpkins, you can start them now. I recommend peppers are biennials, or they can be perennials. So take good care of your pepper plants so that you don't have to start from scratch next year. All right, so that's pretty red peppers there. Okay, so start them now. You can start them in your hydroponic system. You start them in your seed cell trays. They don't need a heat mat, you know, but just make sure they get light. As soon as they germinate, put them in light. And yeah, so now's the time to start. So by September, you can go on and put them outside and let the rain and the nice sun that you get in fall, and so they'll just flourish that way, okay?